Namaste, welcome to math class. And today I am going to teach you about x-axis and y-axis of the graph. And here in this graph, this horizontal line is known as x-axis, where this part will be x. Okay, you have to write here x, capital X, and this part you have to write here x prime. Here you have to write x prime. Okay, and this part is y-axis, as it is shown here. You can see here y-axis this part is, and this is positive y-axis, and down one is this is y prime. Okay, this vertical line is y-axis, as it is showing here. You can see y-axis, and this is horizontal line which is known as x-axis, where there is no look at x-axis. This is the positive part, that's why we can write here x only, and this negative part we write there x prime, x dash also you can tell. And see here, now I want to tell this one where y-axis and x-axis are intersected. This part is known as origin. Okay, which is the part of x-axis and y-axis both. Here it is showing, look at x-axis and y-axis both. This is the part of x-axis and y-axis both. Okay, and now today I am going to show you here what are the similarities of the coordinates, okay, which lies on the x-axis. Okay, now I am going to show here, first of all, here look, in this point, look here, I want to show here one coordinate is there. Okay, I want to plot there at this point. Okay, see there one point, I'm showing there one point there. Okay, this is A, point A, and its coordinate is 1 0. Look there, 1 is given like x coordinate only 1. It is neither up nor down, that's why y coordinate is 0. And if you plot here another point B, and it's also, look here, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. Similarly, if you plot here another point C, then it's also, look here, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. And if you plot here another point G, it's also, look here, x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 0. And if you plot here another point, look here, E, then it's also, look here, x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 0. And if you plot here at the point, look here, this point F, okay, its coordinate is also, look here, F is 6 comma 0. Similarly, if you plot here in this graph, here's, look here, minus 1 comma 0, x coordinate is minus 1 and y coordinate is 0. And if you plot here another coordinate as, okay, then its coordinate is also minus 2 comma 0. Similarly, if you plot here I, then it's minus 3 comma 0. If you plot here another point, that is minus 4 comma 0. Okay, similarly, if you plot other points also on the x-axis, you will find one similarity there. In all the points you will find out their y coordinate 0. Okay, that's why this line, x-axis line, is also known as y equals to 0. This x-axis line is also known as y equals to 0 because in this line, okay, we find the y coordinate of all the coordinates will be 0. That's why this axis is, look, x-axis is also known as y equals to 0. Wherever it is telling y equals to 0, that y equals to 0 will represent this x-axis. Okay, similarly, let's take this y-axis now. Y-axis, okay, let's plot here one coordinate. Okay, at this point If you plot there, look there, 0 comma 6 3, okay. And here if you plot here 0 comma 5, and if you plot here 0 comma 4, and if you plot here 0 comma 3, if you plot here 0 comma 2, if you plot here 0 comma 1, and if you plot here minus this, okay, 0 comma minus 1. Now here will be 0 comma minus 2. If you plot here 0 comma minus 3, and if you plot here 0 comma minus 4, if you plot here 0 comma minus 5, then whenever you plot the coordinates on the y-axis, what is the similarity here? From this K point to you look here, in all the coordinates y is there, okay, but x coordinate all 0. X coordinate is 0. That's why this y axis is known as the line x equals to 0. X equals to 0 means we have to understand it is the y axis. Okay, I want to repeat again. This x axis is known as y equals to 0, and x equals to 0 means y axis. Okay, y equals to 0 means x axis, and y, look here, y equals to 0 means x axis, and x equals to 0 means y axis. And we know that this origin and its coordinate will be, okay, this, look, point B, its coordinate will be 0 0. It is neither up nor down, okay, neither right side nor left side. That's why it is 0 0. Its x coordinate and y coordinate both will be 0. I hope you are clear about x-axis and their coordinates, and you are clear about y-axis and the coordinates which lie on the y-axis and which lie on the x-axis. And even you are clear about what is the coordinate of origin. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed yet, okay, please, I request you to subscribe my channel, okay, so that you can learn many more things about mathematics, okay, in upcoming videos also. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.